what's up and welcome back. So today's video is going to be a cleaning video. If you are brand new here, I am in the middle of a summer cleaning series here on my channel. I started this series to kind of help myself reestablish cleaning habits and reestablish like my daily cleaning routine. During quarantine, I really didn't clean at all. And I really need to get back into the habit of kind of having like a set list of chores to do or just really cleaning every day. My life is so much easier if I take like 30 minutes to an hour to get some things done throughout the day. So I started this series to just kind of help me do that, and I figured I would take you guys along. So I am uploading Monday through Friday this week. If you're new here, definitely check out the description box. I'll have the playlist linked down below, so you can catch up if you'd like. I'm on day 4, so my last video will be tomorrow, which is on Friday. So I apologize if these videos are getting a bit repetitive, but I have kind of fallen into a routine and I have been just filming that routine, and usually that's my bedroom, like handling my bedroom, doing a load of laundry, and then cleaning my kitchen and living room. Again, I apologize that they are a little bit repetitive, but at the same time, like that was kind of the whole point of this series was to, um, like establish my cleaning habits again. I do switch it up a little bit in this video. I'm gonna go into my bathroom and work in my bathroom a little bit. My bathroom vanity needed to be cleaned out as well as I needed to do the floor, and then I'm also going to wipe down my dining room table in this video. So that's it. I hope you guys enjoy it. Thank you so much for all the love I've been getting. I know a lot of you guys are cleaning along with me and like establishing your own cleaning habits. So I'm so happy that this is motivating you guys. I'm having a lot of fun with this series and I really am glad that you guys are enjoying it. So I'm going to let some music play for the rest of this video. Thank you so much for hanging out with me, guys. I really appreciate it. And I will see you tomorrow for the last video of my summer cleaning series. If you're brand new here, please consider subscribing. I would love to have you part of my little YouTube family. I'm so close to 10,000 subscribers, and when I do hit 10,000 subscribers, I'm going to do a big giveaway. And make sure you give this video a big thumbs up if you like it, so I know that you like it. So I love you guys, and I will see you tomorrow.